Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this tiered planter. Today's video is part of the Remodelaholic Outdoor DIY Challenge. There's a playlist down below that you're going to want to check out that is full of inspiring videos. This tiered planter is here on my deck, just steps away from my kitchen, and I love having it here because I have herbs and strawberries and things that I use in my kitchen often. It's up off the ground, away from critters, and it looks beautiful on my deck too. This is a pretty straightforward building project. Let me show you how I did it.
You can find a full supply list for this project in the description below. Starting with one of your stair stringers, attach a 2x4 leg with 2.5-inch screws. You're going to repeat this process on the other stair stringer as well. Once the legs are attached, stand them up and put a support in between using a clamp to hold it in place. Lay your stair stringer down and attach the 2x4s using 2.5-inch screws. Grab another support and attach it in between the stair stringers at the bottom using 2.5-inch screws. Now it's time to add the planters. Grab a washer and a 1.5-inch screw and attach the planters through the drainage holes in the bottom. 4 screws in each planter on the bottom 2 steps. Add a 1x2 shelf to the top, just wider than the width of your planter, and attach it with 1.5-inch screws. Sand down any rough edges, and then stain your base. I love this classic gray finish. Once your stain is applied, wipe off any excess, and when it's completely dry, you can use a clear sealer to finish this off. This tiered planter holds strawberries, herbs, and some potted plants that I love.
I hope you found that video inspiring and you're ready to make your own tiered planter. I want to thank Remodelaholic for hosting this outdoor DIY challenge. Be sure to check out the playlist for lots more inspiring outdoor projects. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, inspiring projects. Tell me in the comments what you're working on today. Thanks for watching, everybody.